Zo, daar go dat je ook speak. Je nou bij itchik. Data. Hilagish. Bir shit chidak, bir shit chit bagadik. Bir gissatti. Hilagish. Bawalaja. Komila batuluk. Alitcha. Koliwai mask. Data. Hilagay alagalik. Maliwalak bake. Absaloga. Constitution. Hugala goyi wakadok. Hina government bogok. Alagalik. Hina bibisha. Government law, constitution, gada azwaladik, alagodnadik. Living, breathing document, gada co-constitution, 2001 constitution ho. Hilagesh ya, alagodnadik. Agiwidak baga, awagoda. Hilagesh, alagalik. Travel building, biltachgadak, agolida. Chiristala ilik. Absalo gawale wat charge. Hilik, ha bigoda. Data, hilagish. White clay slate. Dabatulak. November 7th, Kotnik. Vote Kodawdi Kura. Travel building, no, hilakat bauma. Ani constitution ma, azuishima. Alagolish. Kotnik absalogish. Kustak. Ichigushivyok. Absalogish. Khua. Kawakuk shiuk, hilagish, alagalik, kalagok, kyakwa, hilagish, khawi mat charge, gina. Aditchish, kotanak, Vayvod kotnalagulik, Aditchish biln, bagala, diwa omashk, irkosh, aha. I just wanted to let you guys know today I'm standing in front of the old tribal building. This tribal building held like 4, 5, 6 different administrations. Today, we do not have a tribal building. Our Constitution, living, breathing document, does not have a home. That is bad. That is sad. We need a home for our Constitution. So, under the white clay slate, Frank Whiteclay, Lawrence D. Crane, Sean Backbone, Yvonne, Little Light, Medicine Towel, straight slate, November 7th, we will get a new tribal building. Our slate is called Restoring and Rebuilding. Restoring and Rebuilding. A brand new tribal building for all Crow tribal members. All Crow tribal members, they can do business there. I want to wish you all a good day. And don't forget to vote for us on November 7th. Aho!